Remember to join us for Sunday Night Lime at 8 p.m. right after the uploads.
And Nicey, I have a business to protect. So you can understand why I'm asking these questions.
With all due respect, Camille, I was here before you.
Oh, really?
What I actually meant was that I was here at Calder Tours before you, and I know what it meant to me and Trevor, so I definitely understand what it means to you.
That means you can understand. Recently, you have been overstepping, and that would have me feeling some type of way, right?
Which is why I have stepped back. If you realize I am doing less, and I'm even here less.
So, when do you think all of this will be cleared up with your business associate?
At this point, there is nothing to clear up. I just have to look at everything as a loss and just move on.
Don't get me wrong in a nicey. I completely understand all that you're going through and what you've lost. But I have a business to run and a family to protect.
I respect that. And I understand if my time is up, I'll just go. It's just that I don't like to be alone at a time like this.
So there's no family member that you can reach out to and ask if you can stay with them? I don't think your family is that cold.
You have no idea. I've always been alone. But it's okay.
Nicey. Nicey. I know things are hard, so I'm allowing you to stay for 2 more weeks. Just know that you're a guest here. So all the work that you were doing, just leave it to me and the staff. Okay?
Camille, I really do appreciate that. But I don't want to put any more burden on you and Trevor.
You're not a burden, I see. You just need boundaries, and I'm setting some. I hope you can respect and understand that.
Totally. As a matter of fact, I'm going to transfer some money to the account for my stay here.
Appreciated, but that's okay.
No, this is the least I can do. So I insist.
Well, I'm not one to refuse money, so go ahead.
You know, sometimes I envy your family unit. Not in a bad way. It's just something I admire.
Thank you. What's the relationship with you and your daughter? Does she know what you're going through?
No, that's something I wouldn't want her to know. I just want to keep it this way until things sorted.
Okay, I understand. But you didn't answer my question. How's the relationship with you and your daughter?
It's actually getting back on track. And that's the reason I don't want anything at all to derail it.
From one mother to another, I commend that. So just work on it. Everything will flow. And trust me, in due time, you'll start to have a great relationship.
Thank you so much for the words of advice. All I have to do now is just build a good relationship with my daughter and then get a good man like you. Come here. Let me ask you something. How much do you trust Trevor?
Weapon retrieve. Send me the location for the bus.
Sending location now.
Alright. Is there any camera located in the area?
One camera, but not from where you're entering. But there's a sensor light at the front of the house.
Alright. See the bus.
Whisper, I hope you're out already. Cause him reach and him a enter the premises now.